How to set Facebook highlights to friends only. Want to keep your Facebook highlights private? Here's how you can do that. So first, go ahead and open Facebook on your device and then click on your profile to be able to head over into your Facebook profile. Now look for this Edit Public Details button, click on it, head over into the highlights section and then click on the edit button at the right side of the highlight section. As you can see in here, there is no option for you to change the privacy of your highlights. So what you can do instead is to go ahead and make sure that you have set the viewers of your stories into friends only once you publish that specific photo or video that you want to add your highlights from your story. So go ahead and head back to your homepage, click on this create story button and then select a photo or video that you want to use for your story. So click on the bottom left of your screen to be able to change the privacy of the story. So make sure that the privacy is set to friends. So if you want to hide the story from any of your friends, simply select them from here and then head back and then go ahead and publish the story into your Facebook account. And then once the story has been published, you can go ahead and add this to your highlights. And this highlight won't be shown to the public but would only be shown to your friends since the privacy of the story is set to friends only. And that is how you can basically set Facebook highlights to friends only.